Yeah, hi brother. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's always positive Ram, and nowadays I'm uploading every day a single video and trying to upload because of my hectic schedule. It's not possible. But today there was election day in Maharashtra state. I'm from India, and because of that I got a half day leave, and because of that I am able to just talk with you. So would you like to just give me a
Yes, yes. So, first of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Aminul. I am from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as, besides my study, I'm doing a job at a school. I'm a student of university. I'm a student of honors first year. If I talk about my hobby is traveling, and in my leisure time, I spent my time behind practicing speaking English. So that's all about me. What about you?
Yeah, actually, my name is Ramakrishna Pattan, and I'm the resident of India, and I'm talking right now. I'm talking from Maharashtra state, and I'm working as a security guard. So I'm having a 12-hour shift, and my schedule is very hectic. So whenever I just get time, I try to just make video and trying to improve my communication skills so that I can get a better job and good package. So that is what I'm eyeing for, and I have just started this YouTube channel just few months back, but I was not able to upload the videos regularly. From last 2 3 days, I'm trying to upload every single day. I'm trying to upload a new video. Okay, so let's see. Time then otherwise.
Okay, okay, understand. That's a nice introduce yourself. So, when did you start your YouTube channel?
Started just 2 months back.
Okay, 2 months back. So, right now, how many subscriber you have?
I have just around 21 subscribers right now.
21.
Yeah, because from
Okay,
last 1 month I didn't post any video because I had really important work, and because of that I couldn't post any videos.
okay, okay. And I know one thing about YouTubers who are the beginner YouTuber. They have to upload 3 video per day. Uh,
Videos
okay,
per
okay.
day.
So as you said, okay, as you said, you are a security guard. And how did you learn English? You speak English very well.
No, my English is not that good. Okay, I'm still a learner, right? I'm just trying to learn every day whenever I just get time. Okay, while just working, I try to just go through the news articles. I just watch English content on YouTube, right? Sometimes cartoon or whatever easy content is available, right? Sometimes I watch podcasts, and that is how I'm just trying to learn this language. And whatever I just new phrase or new idiom I learn, I just try to use it in my conversation. That is how. And there are a few kids. Okay, so I try to talk with them. I just have conversation with them, and because of that, my English communication is improving.
Okay, okay, I understand. So, as you said, you're from India. So, which language usually do you speak usually? In Hindi or other language?
Actually, I'm a South Indian, and I'm born in Karnataka. That is a South Indian state, but I'm brought up in Maharashtra. So at my home, I speak in Kannada language, right? And
Can
I'm Kannada.
Canada? Okay, okay. Can you say something about Canada language? Like, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from?
Yeah. Uh, means what's your name, right? New Hengidira. How are you? Okay. Uta madidira. That means did you have your
Okay, okay. It's really difficult to pronunciation about Kannada language. So, how many languages do you know?
I know Kannada, I know Marathi, then I know Hindi, and I know English. I'm still learning English. Okay, so almost
Okay.
I know 4 languages.
Okay, you know 4 languages. That's nice. So, when did you start to learn speaking English?
You start speaking. I was just trying for 1 or 2 months, but I was not consistent enough. Okay, then I was getting busy in some other activities, and I was giving more preference to those activities. And because of that, then I had to just leave this learning of English language. And because of that, almost from last 10 years, I was trying a lot. It was not possible for me. Then after Corona, I just started watching YouTube, and few people started uploading conversation videos. And because of that, I also thought that let's start my YouTube journey also. And yeah, even if I just don't get any subscribers, or even if I don't get views, but at least my communications, I will be a good communicator. So that's why I've started this up.
Okay, okay, I understand. That means you started your speaking English journey 2 months ago. Now you can speak English very well. You can explain everything very well. So, if you want to improve your YouTube channel, first of all, you have to upload 3 video per day. You can upload one long video, and also you can upload 2 short video. So actually, this is the process for beginner. And I watched so many video on YouTube. They gave these types of actually this suggestion for beginners.
How many? What is your channel name, and how many videos have you uploaded till now?
Actually, I created my YouTube channel 6 months ago, but I started uploading video 3 months ago, and already I uploaded 280 short video in my channel, and I got 1200 subscriber in my channel, and I started long video 2 days ago, and I just uploaded 4 video in my YouTube channel, and this video is long video, and I got 1200 subscriber in my channel. And still now every day I uploaded 3 video per day.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a suggestion for you. If you want to improve your YouTube channel, try to upload 3 video per day. You can upload short video, and you can upload 2 short video per day, and you can upload one long video every day. So this is the process actually. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Your voice isn't coming to me.
Lots of noise from your side.
Now it's fine. So if you don't mind, can I know how old are you? Maybe you are 30 plus.
Yeah, I'm 40 years old, right?
40 years old. Oh my God. So can I know about your qualification, education qualification? Hello? Can I know about your education qualification? I can't hear you. Your voice is not coming to me. Still now, I'm not hear you. Your voice is not coming to me. I can't hear you. Your voice is not coming to me. Your voice is not coming to me.
I think
Can you fix that problem?
I'm not understanding. Noise coming from.
Actually, your voice is not coming sometimes. Still now, I can't hear you. Your voice is not coming. Can you fix the problem? What's the problem is going on?
Not
I can't hear you.